Yo, what's up guys? Stop phone scammers here. So this video you're about to watch is of a scammer. This was actually thanks to Stop Phone Scammers. Basically the scammer had called back on our line number and it redirected to me. Well, I answered it and figured why not? I guess I'll just record it since he thinks I'm Richard. So, guys, want to go check out Stop Phone Scammers? We're probably going to do a dual video right after this, after I fix a tire, but yeah. Um, See you in a little bit. Peace. Look like.
So it's a big E with a circle around it.
Uh, does it have like what is this, like a dash through it, like a yellow line going through it?
Yeah, the big E with or a golden circle around it.
Oh, okay. So, you want me to open that then?
Yes, please.
Where is it? Just had it. My computer's going so slow right now. Okay. Programs. Internet Explorer. Let me see. I only see Google Chrome and Firefox.
Sorry, what do we have on the screen?
I only see Google Chrome and Firefox.
Okay, that will also work, sir. You may click on
Oh,
Google Chrome.
okay. I've clicked the Google Chrome. Okay, it opened up like the box thing.
Okay. Now, if you go to the top, okay, it says, it shows you the name of the website.
Where you type in like www.google.com.
That's right. That's right. So, first of all, you need to delete everything from the address bar.
Okay, like backspace.
That's right. Yes.
Okay.
And then you need to type here www
Okay.
dot
Okay.
number 0 number 1.
What? Number 0 or 1?
First number 0, then
Okay.
number 1,
0, 1,
C as in Charles,
C,
P as in Peter,
P,
U as in umbrella,
U.
.com.
Okay.
Now please hit the enter key.
SupportBuddy.
That's right.
Remote
It'll
Connect.
come up. That is right. That's the right page. Now there you need, it'll show you step 1, step 2, and step 3.
Yes, I see that.
Right. On step 1, it must be asking you for a connection code.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Allow me just 1 minute. I'm generating that code for you.
Okay.
The code is 963
963
646.
646. So 963 646.
That is right.
Okay.
Now, please, on the step 2, check the box which says I authorize.
Okay. I've checked that.
And now click on connect. Yes, check the box.
Okay, connect. Oh, it downloaded something? I presume I open this, right? Do I open it?
Now, sir, at the bottom,
Do I throw it away?
it will give you an option to click on run, open, save, or cancel.
It says it's got a little download thing. Downloaded something.
Yes,
Should I put it in
yes.
the
Double
trash?
click on that. Double click on that.
Double? Okay, it says
Double
run or
click on that, please.
cancel. Should I click cancel?
Run,
Oh.
run.
It says creating folder. Oh, copying. Fast here.
What
Oh,
does it say?
it brought up something that says waiting for agent.
Yes, yes, yes. It seems it's connecting to me now.
What's all
In
this
fact, I
stuff
got
here?
the remote.
Whoa. Whoa, everything changed.
Yes, because it might have changed it to the very basic settings of the computer.
Ah, that's what I found something weird. Why does my phone say that you guys don't have a number?
I'm sorry.
My phone says unknown for your guys' number.
Not sure. Probably it isn't showing our toll-free number.
Could I have your number so I can call you back?
Sir, you see, you might not be able to reach me in case we get disconnected. I will call you
Well,
back myself.
well, what's your name? I could just ask for you.
Okay, my name is Umesh.
Okay, let me write that down.
Let me open a notepad and write this down, sir.
Okay. Then so if I call, I could just ask for you. Oh, you're the supervisor?
Yes, sir. I'm the technical supervisor.
Okay, so what's your guys' number again?
I'm
What,
sorry.
what's your guys' number again?
Our number is 1-855-866-8775. That's the direct number for our technical support.
Okay. Keep that in mind just in case
Okay.
if get disconnected or something. Just ask for you. You know?
Uh, in case we disconnected, sir, I will give you a call back. If you will call back, you would connect to somebody else. Okay, and they will have to go ahead and diagnose your computer again. And could you show me that error message that you were getting on the computer?
Well, I had restarted it. I think it was in Firefox? Six. I don't know where this is coming from either. I never set this Zone 62 thing. I don't know what this website is. I didn't put it here. But every time I turn it on, this site comes up. You know how to like fix that? This thing, I've been really having some problems with this lately too. Like when you open stuff, right?
Yeah,
Hello?
that's right.
It takes so
Yes.
much longer than it used to. It's
Yeah,
like when
because
someone gets old, you know?
yeah, because there is a possibility it might have got so many infections on the computer. When
Well,
when since when are you facing this problem?
it's not really an exact time, but it's like I guess over time. Like just over time, it's
No
been
worries.
getting worse and worse.
No worries, Mr. Richard. What I'll do is I'll quickly run some scans on this computer, okay, and have a look at it. I mean, why exactly it is giving us this trouble, okay?
Super anti-spyware.
That's right.
What's this gonna do? Well, there.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Yeah, I asked what's this super anti-spyware gonna do?
Sir, it is actually a program which helps us in checking if our computer is infected by the viruses or probably some tracking cookies.
Crack cookies.
You know what? You know what a tracking cookie is, right?
I know what a cookie is. Chocolate chip cookies, peanut butter cookies.
Not the one that we eat.
What kind of cookie other than that is there?
Well, in this tracking cookie is, something, it's actually a kind of small file or data which was initially used to, transfer information, to store our information so that we would be able to do things faster. But now, like hackers or these computer people have started, misusing it.
Okay.
Okay, and they get our personal information if they get into our computer. So that's what it'll diagnose, and it'll help us to remove that as well. So the scan is running on your computer. Do you see this here? It's
Whoa.
224 threads already found on your computer.
100? Ah,
224.
is that even possible?
Did I spell your name correctly?
Yeah.
I've got your phone number here with me. That's 814 uh 204 2289.
Yeah. Who's the other people talking?
What did you just say?
I can like hear the people talking. Who's that? Hello?
Yeah, because there are so many people sitting around,
Guys like in a big building?
I'm sorry?
You guys are like in a big building or something?
Yeah, there's a building and we've got our tech support, our diagnostics team sitting around. So, we get calls when people face trouble with their computer. See, we are actually one of the leading technical support service provider. So, whenever somebody faces any problem, they contact us. We got our technical team sitting around us. They assist the customers fixing their computer problems.
Okay.
So, could you tell me, Mr. Richard, how old this computer is?
Say it's about. Oh, sorry, I accidentally clicked on the keyboard there. Um, say, well, be 10 or 11, 12, 12.
10 or 11 years old?
Yeah, somewhere around there. It's pretty.
Okay. And could you tell me when was the last time you got your system serviced?
I don't think I ever really have.
I'm sorry?
I don't think I've ever really gotten it serviced.
Well, to tell you, like Microsoft recommends to get the system service every month.
Okay.
Okay, this is recommended by Microsoft to get the system service every month. Now here we can see that we've got 224 infections on our computer, which needs to be removed on immediate basis.
Okay.
Now, could you tell me what all do you use this computer for?
Pretty much everything. General stuff.
Like like
Uh,
chatting, emails, browsing, research,
yeah.
Facebook. Do you also use it for online banking and shopping?
Sometimes.
Okay. And so, Mr. Richard, what I would suggest you, see, since the system is badly infected, okay, what I would suggest you is to not to use the computer for, especially for online banking or shopping, at least for an hour or two. Okay, so that we can fix your computer first, and then you can use it if that's okay for you.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will do is, I would connect you to one of my, uh, you know, uh, best level 3 certified technician who will go ahead and check your computer. Okay, I mean, I will be giving him commands or that plan of action that he would be working on and get your system fixed.
Okay. So you have like a system to do this then?
Sorry?
So you have like a system to do this? Like you
No,
guys
sir.
have
We
a.
would need to do it. No, we would need to do it manually. I mean, we will need to run a few scans, and we need to run some advanced softwares to remove all these things from the computer.
Okay.
So that will gonna take 30 to 45 minutes to get your computer fixed,
So
or
what's
maximum an hour.
what exactly are they gonna fix?
I'm sorry,
What exactly are they gonna fix?
sir. As I mentioned, I will be giving them an action plan.
Action plan?
I will be giving them an action plan. What is the problem? What is the
Okay.
problem, and what all needs to be done to fix the computer?
Okay. So so there is like a process.
There is a process to work and get this fixed. Before I connect you to that person, I'm going to check your computer. If there are any identity traces.
Okay.
Okay, because these days we are getting so many calls wherein the customers are facing such problems regarding your the systems being infected by the viruses, or this, and their identity gets compromised. Now, on this screen, it shows me, the scan is going on, but on this scan, it is also telling me, that there are some identity traces. I mean, in fact, the scan has been completed, and it is showing me up with this email address. Do you remember this email address? Do you know this email address?
I remember it.
Do you know this email address?
Yeah.
Is it your email address?
Yeah.
See, if I go and click on this one, it will gonna come up with the password as well. So it means your information is public. Moreover, it is also showing me your credit card number as well. Again, if I click on it, it will show me up the numbers. So, so this information is stored on your computer. Okay, that's how we got this information stored by cookies. Okay, so that's what I want you to make to understand that your computer is at risk. Okay, we're not gonna show up this information because that's your information. It's very secured. But I'm gonna close this down here and would be connecting you to one of my level 3 expert who will go ahead and clean this out from your computer so that even if in case somebody gets into your computer, he will not be able to get any of your personal information.
Okay.
Okay, so but Mr. Richard, before I connect you to my level 3 expert, I need to check if your system is covered under the software warranty. Do you remember renewing software warranty on your computer?
I think I did at one time.
When did you renew your software warranty?
I think it was a couple months ago, actually.
Uh, whom did you purchase the software warranty from, sir?
I got it from the Windows thing.
Windows? You're talking about Microsoft?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you mind me asking, sir, how much did you pay for that?
They were doing a like it was $20.
I'm sorry?
I think it was like $20. I got it on like a deal.
Okay. And could you tell me if you're located in Canada or you stayed United States?
United States.
Sir, are you in Canada, US?
Who?
I mean, you're in the United States, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you look here and see uh, the Microsoft, this is the charge for Microsoft Professional support. Okay, so if you look here, they charge $499 for one-time incident. Okay, to get your computer fixed only for once, and that's good for only 3 days. And if you go and buy,
Duh.
an annual plan, they will be providing you a 5 incidents plan, which will be good for a year, and that will gonna cost you $2,000. Do you see this here? So Microsoft doesn't provide any, software coverage for $20. Moreover, they do not provide that online support. What you need to do is, let's say, if you're facing any trouble with your computer, you would need to contact them through an email, and they get back to us within 2 to 8 hours to get your computer fixed.
Okay.
That's how they work. Okay. Now, Mrs. Richard, the, now would like to inform you, your system is in a very bad condition and needs
What?
to be fixed on immediate basis.
What do you mean? So many words. Words. That's a lot.
See, you don't need to pay that much. I mean, I'm not talking about paying that much. Okay, we are at Support Buddy. We've got certified technicians for who work on Windows and Apple computers. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to go ahead and register your computer so that we can go ahead and support you and fix this computer.
But
I'm not asking you to pay $500.
I did get a Best Buy warranty.
Sorry?
I did get a Best Buy warranty. No Best Buy?
I know Best Buy, the Geek Squad, right? So how
Oh,
much did you
not
pay for
Geek
that?
Squad. I got it when I bought
Best Buy.
a thing. They gave me a warranty.
But sir, that warranty normally comes with 1 year. Okay,
Yeah, I
in 10
got
years
a.
you're using this computer now.
No, I did. They did like an upgrade or something on it, and they gave me a year warranty. That was like 5 months ago.
Well, okay, I can go ahead and check that out, sir. Give me just 1 minute.
Okay,
Do you have any paperwork for that?
not on me. Not here.
Let me quickly go ahead and check it.
What is all this fancy text? Is all of this? OLE registration? Startup program?
Well, unfortunately, it is not showing me any Best Buy warranty, like software warranty on your computer. Do you have a paperwork for that, sir?
Paperwork? Yeah, it's not. I don't have it here. I think you found out what I'm doing, sir.
Yeah, I think I found something, but need to check if it is that what you paid for.
So, I talked to a couple of people before I chose, but they said they'd give me warranty.
How much did you pay for that, sir?
I got the 1 year, like I said. I got the year thing, and I that was like 5 months ago. So I should still have um what 8 months left, right?
This is this is telling me that your credit card information is there.
And they just told me to put it there.
Yeah,
They told me to do.
but none of those things are telling me that you've got a warranty started already.
They put this one. They put right here. They I got
Which
the
one?
1 year.
No. Okay. But does it tell you where exactly did you I mean, when exactly did you purchase?
I think there's a date. Oh wait, can't you see when they made it? Oh wait, hold on. I do Oh, that was May 20. Oh, May 22nd.
So it's the one that was created a day before yesterday.
I don't even
So
remember
it
that.
wasn't, yeah, it wasn't paid. I don't think it was paid. It was just created on that particular day.
Huh. So what do we gotta
Let me
do
check
here?
something else here. No, this is not it. There's one more text here.
Is that one it? That one
Hmm.
had one
This is
year.
not it as well.
So that one says 1 year.
See, trust me.
That's April 19th.
Yeah, that's just a month, not even a month old.
Oh. So what do we gotta do
So,
here?
sir,
Exactly.
well, Mr. Richard, I really cannot find anything on your computer which tells that your computer is protected under the software warranty. Okay, and if it does, okay, trust me, it is not protecting your computer at all. If it would have been protecting your
I
computer, you
got
wouldn't get into this problem.
got malware bites.
Sir, Malwarebytes is just a scanning program. It is not a program that protects your computer. Okay, it is just a scanning program, so which helps us in removing infections from the computer. So this is not even 100% secure program. However, yes, we do use this program to remove infections at times, depending upon the kind of infections that we have on our computer. Okay. So what I would suggest you is, if you allow, I will go ahead and connect you to one of my level 3 technician, activate your software warranty, and get your computer fixed.
Wait, but there's one thing. Hello?
Your voice is not audible,
What?
Mr. Richard.
My what? My
Your
wife?
voice is not audible.
What do you mean? What?
Your voice, sir. Your sound is not audible.
You said my wife.
No, I said voice. VLICE, voice.
Lies?
Mm. Let me write this down here. I was saying voice.
Oh, voice. Oh, huh. Oh,
So,
okay.
sir, to fix your computer, as I mentioned, I need to connect you to one of my level 3 technician
Three,
who will go ahead and fix your
two.
computer right away within just 30 to 45
Boy!
minutes.
Wait, hello?
Yes, sir. What was that?
Hello? Are
What
you
was that, sir?
scamming me?
Sir,
Hel-
why would I scam you?
I don't know.
Tell me a reason, please.
I feel like you're scamming me.
See, no, sir. We are a legitimate company. Okay, it's not just we have started a few days ago. Okay, we have been in this business for more than 8 years now.
Is your
Okay, we've got
website
several million
support?
customers.
Is your website supportbuddy.net?
That's right.
Where are you guys located at?
Sir, our head office in Bakersfield, California.
Oh. Well, do you have like a Google Maps?
I can show that to you, sir.
Is it 3906 Bridgewater Way?
Where are you located? I believe you are also located in California, aren't you?
Yeah, I can like
Where? Where
meet you
exactly in
guys.
California? Okay.
Hey. Oh wait. Where are you guys located at?
Bakersfield?
Or like where? Bakersfield. Is it is it 3906 Bridgewater Way? Hello? Hello?
Sir, I'm so sorry, I cannot hear you.
I said is your address 3906 Bridgewater Way?
Sir, your voice is not audible. I'm
Cause,
so sorry.
can you
Give me
hear
just
me?
1 minute. Let me see.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. I can hear you
I
now.
said is your address 3906 Bridgewater Way?
Yep.
But that's a house with a trampoline in the backyard.
Give me just 1 minute, sir.
Sure that's right?
See, I think I lost the remote of your computer for some reason
Oh,
while opening the address on your screen.
okay, just I how do I reconnect it?
We need to go in same way to take the
What?
remote of your computer, sir.
Oh. Why does it say copyright 2013?
Sir, we got this, the certification in 2013. That's the reason.
No,
But we have been in this business.
copyrights like you own the rights to the website and to the services.
Right. That's what I'm saying, sir. We have been in this business for more than 6 years now, but this copyright was given in 2013.
What? Are you sure you're not scamming me?
Sir,
Cause
absolutely not. Why would otherwise? Why would have given you my support website?
yeah, but
You can see the reviews
the
of the customers.
the Twitter doesn't work and the GoDaddy verified doesn't work. The buttons.
Sir, it's not about GoDaddy. You see, we are Dun and Bradstreet, Bradfield certified as well.
But why does
Okay, we are
the
DNB certified, so
well
we cannot put that on our website without their certification.
who exactly well the thing is the street for the registration of your guys' domain says it's at a house and they got a trampoline in the backyard. Why would you need that?
Mm.
And
I,
who's
I can't tell, why it is.
who's Rajit Saiga or something? Can't really say it. RANJITSINGH.
He's one of our, board members.
Board your board member owns the domain. This says it was only how many years have you guys been doing this?
Sir, almost 8 years now.
Well, that'd only be five because the domain was created in 2011, 2012. So four. It's just not matching up.
Sir, what is not matching up? The
Uh,
website you're talking about, sir, it was the domain was modified because there were some problem in the previous domain, so this domain was modified.
yeah, it says updated on 2015, and the creation was 2012, both on the 11th
So right,
at
so sir,
18.
there is a possibility they would have created a new domain because the previous one might have been corrupted.
What do you mean corrupted?
There would have been some problem in the previous domain, so they might have created a new domain because we were getting some problems with the previous domain that we had and a few years ago.
How do you have a problem with
And
the domain?
this new the website, I believe. I mean, sir.
Well, then why would you have to change the domain?
Sir, see, these all decisions are taken by the management. Okay, so we are not into it. We are actually into the technical support
Yeah,
and
but
diagnosing our customers' issues.
why would you change the domain if it's something wrong with the website?
Sir, I really cannot tell about this because I really do not have that in much information about domains. I really don't work on that. Okay, because that's
Uh,
our server team,
well,
that's our management who takes such decisions.
can I tell you something? You know Richard, right? You, you know Richard?
Mm,
Well, I guess
I don't know, sir.
Richard. Well, I guess to me, I'm Richard, right? To you, I'm Richard, right?
Sir, Mr. Richard, right? Mr. Tyler Richard.
Yes. That,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not Richard. You see, me and some other people have these, channels where we expose scammers, and we have this, phone system hooked up. So when you called back, I answered it. Uh, he didn't pick it up. He picked up another scammer. So I actually wasn't Richard.
Okay.
So your story isn't really matching up.
Sir, it's not a story. I mean, I'm telling you the truth. We are the legitimate company. Why would
Well,
I create a story?
okay, why is there a house for your domain registration with a trampoline in the backyard?
I really cannot tell this, sir, because this is what is being mentioned on the website,
I mean,
and this is what is
well,
our address is.
but I feel like they just up and chose a random location. Because I've actually been to Bakersfield quite a few times because I know some people that live out there. I'm actually very close to it. But why
Okay.
would they have it as a house? It seems a little bit off. Wouldn't you think?
So I cannot comment on that, sir. I'm so sorry. I cannot comment on that.
Okay, business aside, wouldn't you think that's a little bit off? Be honest. You there?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. I'm right here.
Well,
I'm right here.
um, you know the computer that you scanned?
Mm-hmm.
That was a virtual box. It didn't actually have any malware or any things in it because I actually every time I call a scammer, I kind of do a cleanup and make sure. You said that Malwarebytes was only a scanning program?
No, it was a scanning program, sir.
Well, Malwarebytes actually does have real-time protection too.
Mr. Richard, I tell you what, I'm sure you must be so technical, but
Very.
normally, yeah. So normally people just download only, the scan. Those are the free programs. Okay, I didn't check. I didn't even open your on your computer. But yes, If you would have purchased that program, yes, there is a live
You
real-time
don't
scanning option.
you don't
But
have to buy it. It still blocks web pages and stuff for you that are malicious, and you could still scan and find any issues, which I guarantee you if I scan with Malwarebytes, there's nothing's gonna be found.
mhm. I cannot say that because I've used Malwarebytes several times, and I've never and I had Malwarebytes installed on my computer as well. I never found that
Hey, can
protecting
you
any of the programs or blocking any of the files.
can you tell me something? Um, you know in the left, the bottom right corner of your screen where your time is?
Hmm.
Right above that, is there a little message on the screen?
No, there's no message.
There's no message that says Windows 7 is not genuine?
No, sir, there's no message which says Windows 7 is not genuine.
Why such a long pause? See,
No, sir, there's no message.
well, I kind of know what most of you guys use. Most of you guys use Pentium processors. Because you know it was really cool. I was talking to this one scammer, and I actually tricked him to giving me access of his computer. And I think you can kind of already think what I did. I deleted everything, basically making it so the next time he turned on that computer, it'd be absolutely destroyed and he'd have to reinstall everything. And the other guy, who I also tricked, I deleted all his drivers, so have to go through the hassle of getting those. And what I found was they were both using a non-genuine version of Windows 7. So you might think that's a little harsh. One, they are scamming. Two, they aren't even paying for Windows, so why should they even have it? So I figure I did Windows a favor by not letting them have it. I mean, they could just reinstall another version, but I don't have it. Yeah. But yes, I do. I believe you're a scammer. Um, but yeah, you there?
I'm right here, sir. Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir, I did hear that.
Oh, so what do you gotta say?
Sir, see, I really do not have permissions to talk about this, and I really cannot talk about this as well because this is something, a company's policies, and there's nothing we can discuss over the phone.
Alright, well, this is a 47-minute long video now. So, I'm gonna go. If you want to watch this video, I'm gonna upload it today. You can go to my channel, Scammer Revolts. Or if you wanna say hi to Richard, you could go over to Stop Phone Scammers. That's his channel. He recently hit 251 subscribers, I think. It's pretty cool. Or 100. I think it was 200. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah. So I'm gonna go. You have a wonderful day. And yeah. Peace.
Thank you so much, sir.
Scammers strike again. Time to make the intro to this video. Peace.